friends, today is 27th of Feb 2021 and what you see here is basically if you would like to believe me, this is a cauliflower that you see, the cauliflower head. And for those who have seen my previous videos, you will know that I named this cauliflower Eve. So Eve has grown a bit, and you can see that there are multiple flowers growing, over here. Multiple flowers, white flowers, 4-petaled flowers with yellowish orange center. And now who would believe these flowers are a part of something which we already know as a flower which is cauliflower. So these are the white flowers of cauliflower. I tried to Google this. I was not satisfied with the results, so I decided to make a video on this one. These are the white flowers of, that's right. So this is not a joke or something. You can easily see that these are the white flowers of the cauliflower plant. And cauliflower you can consume as a food, as you already know, but for the people who are not aware, I'd like to show you that cauliflower can bolt, and it can produce the white flowers as well. Now I'm not sure what is the use of these flowers, but if you find any use, please leave a note in the comment section. So this is looking very beautiful, and this is how it is, and totally satisfied with the way it has grown. And this was not supposed to be for consumption, it was for display. So I mean it's growing really fine, and that's all the update I have for today. So if you enjoyed the video, please do like, share and subscribe, and take care. Bye for now. Thank you all.